Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Collins. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of another TRX4m. I can never get that right. So far, as you can see, I started with the Defender, and I've done a bunch of upgrades on that, and there's a video going out hopefully tomorrow on the upgrades. And I just put a video out last week with the Hydro Cheyenne. And thank you guys all for watching it. I really appreciate all the views and the comments and the likes. It really means a lot. And if you could, please, just go ahead and continue. If you could subscribe and like this video, it really helps my channel grow. All right, but with that being said, back to what's important, which is RCs. So I'm going to be adding to 18 scale collection with another one, but this time I'm getting the Bronco. So let's get these guys out the way. So I had to complete the set. So I had the other two. The only one I didn't have was the Bronco. And I was at Hobby Town in Corona, I think it was last week, before the Labor Day weekend. And they were having it $20 off. And, you know, it's already a great deal at the $150, but another $20 off. I said, I'm not passing that up. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing. So here we go. So just like the Defender, the box is all the same. So you got your front panels, which shows you the colors of the cars. And the model. So this is the Bronco, and the top panel tells you about the car and the configuration of the car. So it tells you it actually gives you the steering angle and some awesome stuff, but it tells you that this car has the Titan 180 87-turn motor. It has the ESC, and it runs the 2S 750 milliamp battery. So, and that's all on the top panel. The side panel gives you all of the colors that are available for that particular model, and this is just another panel showing some more of the different colors. But let's open this up. I'll tell you, this is the funnest part. I love opening up a new car. Let's see if I got it hopefully facing the right direction this time. All right, so here we go. Which one did I get? Because first of all, the car comes in red, white, yellow, a darker blue, a black, and then like a steel blue or lighter blue. What I did is I chose one color I don't have on any RC, is the yellow. When I was looking at the different ones, and the yellow just looks really cool, but we'll look at that in a second. So here, let's take a look at what's in the bag. So you get the usual tools, the wrench, a couple Allen wrenches, and it looks like some shock clips. Oh cool, you get a poster, which I just destroyed. I can fix it. So you get a Traxxas poster, which I can definitely put up on the wall here. And the registration card, which I never do, your catalog, and then the manual. Okay, so once again, you get the TQ remote, no TSM on this one. You get the 750 milliamp battery, which is right here. The USB charger. And I saw some good mods of some people that they modified it so they can use the regular Traxxas charger. So I'm gonna look into that, and if I can figure that out, I'll put a video on that. But so you get the USB charger. All right, so here we go. All right, well, let me move the transmitter out the way. Put that stuff up there. So here it is. I really like this color. You know, as I sit in the store, I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. Oh, maybe I have to pop the body. And another thing, I love this clipless body. I'm so happy Traxxas went to clipless bodies. And I'll show you a video later. You know, on my Fortec, I went to magnets, and you know, those are great, but it's still a pain in the butt. But this clipless body is nice. All right, check this out. All right, before I do that, all right, so So here you go. So there's the 87-turn Titan motor, the ESC. Here's the battery cage where the battery sits in. And now I'm gonna probably do some upgrades on this, but I want to run it stock first and just get a before and after, like I did with the Defender. So that's the chassis of it, and the body clips right on, and there you go. Now I've already got some upgrades I'm gonna put on. The only ones I'm gonna put on off the jump is I am going to add the lights. So I got the Pro Scale lights for oh, wrong ones. This is the Pro Scale lights. And then the light bar and the winch light. I'm going to put that on because that doesn't change the performance of the car. And one other thing I'm definitely adding is the thumb steers from Mark Santa Maria. These things are awesome. I love driving with these, especially if you're trying to film and take anything. It makes driving one-handed incredibly easy. So I'll put a link to all this down below. And then I also got a little bit of brass. I got the brass diff covers and brass hex nut extensions. So, but I'm gonna put those on after the first run. So what I'm gonna do now, let's charge this battery up and let's take it out. Well, there you have it. That's the Traxxas TRX4m Bronco. Already did some upgrades. I'll show you that next in the next video. But man, I tell you, these little TRX4Ms, this 18th scale is a lot of fun. So for that price point, you guys go out and try it, get one. It's a lot of fun. I guarantee you're going to enjoy it. So remember, I thank you for watching to the end, watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, click the like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're going to go get you a TRX4M or what's the brand you like best. But anyway, just remember, keep crawling, keep bashing, keep dragging, but most of all, keep having fun. See you in the next video. Peace.